How's it going, everyone? So today we're going to try a miracle product. I say that sarcastically on this mess. Mainly that one. Don't know if you're familiar with it or not, but I remember in the early 90s the big spiel was that the guy would go into a junkyard, find this old dirty nasty car, and he just starts wiping this on and magically it looks like new paint. So kind of like Mythbusters, I guess. We're gonna see if it can help it at all, does anything for it. But I'm gonna wash this, dry it real quick. We'll apply some and see what it does. Fingers crossed. Alright, so we're back. I've washed it, I've dried it. Clearly doesn't look much different, but you can see how sun damaged that is. All the cracking and everything in it. So this will be a true testament if it can even do anything for it or not. Clearly it needs to be repainted though. Alright, I'm going to set you all up on a tripod and apply this, and I'll look at the instructions. I think it says you apply it and then just wipe it right off with a terry towel. So that's what's coming next. So I'm back from my little mini vacation, I guess you'd call it. The new finish has been on the hood. Truck's been in the shade. Clearly it did not fix it like the commercials did. Did I expect it to? No. But it does not feel as rough to the touch. I think I'd actually like to clay bar it and see what happens, because as I was applying that and wiping it off, I don't know if you can see the contrast between here and here. It was like brown, almost like dirt coming up out of the paint, which is the new finish. So all in fun, just to see what happened. Just the same, I think I'm going to do it on the roof, because really, as bad as this original paint from 2001 is, I don't think we can hurt it. So with that said, if you hung in with me this long, I appreciate y'all watching, and I promise this week we will be back to more fun stuff. Performance, maybe up some stuff considered an upgrade, and I definitely want to get that battery moved from over in that corner there. So that's up and coming. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.